This huge 24,000-pound cylinder has generated hundreds of thousands of photographs. Vast areas of star formation called nebula, and distant galaxies never before observed. These images in turn have helped unravel some of the greatest mysteries in astronomy.
Hubble really has discovered things that we never would have dreamed of. Hubble really nailed how fast the universe is expanding and therefore how old the universe is.
About 13 to 14 billion years old, a major discovery for astronomers. This is a full-scale model of the Hubble Space Telescope, one of the most successful science missions ever launched.
Astronomers for a very long time wanted a telescope above the atmosphere to get away from the flickering that the atmosphere imparts.
But even orbiting above Earth's atmosphere, Hubble is limited. It can only see a tiny part of the entire spectrum of light, the same one visible to the naked eye. That's why scientists have a variety of telescopes deployed in space and on the ground. Each is designed to detect light waves from a different part of the electromagnetic spectrum. One of the most productive space-based instruments is a remarkable telescope able to detect invisible X-rays. It's operated by the Smithsonian Astrophysical Observatory, and its name is Chandra.
Chandra looks in the X-ray part of the spectrum, where stars generally are not very bright, but what is bright in the X-ray part of the spectrum are black holes, the really exotic things in the universe, sort of the end of stellar evolution. And these things are just incredibly hot. That's what Chandra looks at, is these real extreme objects.
But before Chandra could be put to work, it had to be put into orbit. So in 1999, the telescope was stowed in the payload section of the Space Shuttle Columbia, awaiting launch.
3, we have a go for engine start. 0, we have booster ignition and liftoff of Columbia, reaching new heights for X-ray astronomy.
Everybody was totally on edge. The launch of a shuttle is always a big deal. People who worked on Chandra had been working on it for at least 10 years, some of them for 20. And so, all your eggs are in one basket here. This thing's got to work.